the best things about this location is convenience. You are about 20 to 25 minutes to Lake Nona and in Orlando International Airport. You're also around 30 minutes to downtown Orlando. And if you love the beach, Cocoa Beach is only under 45 minutes actually from this area. So hello everyone, my name is Karen Villegas. I'm your realtor here in Central Florida, and today I'm touring you this home in East Orlando, Wedgefield area to be more specific, where all the buyers usually come for large lots, privacy, and freedom. So today we're going to be looking at this property behind me. It's a beautiful property that is sits in 1.3 acres, is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's approximately 2,200 square feet. The good thing about this property also that is, it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but then it has an office space as well. To create a small closet, it could turn into a 4-bedroom. So that's a good thing about this property. So follow me and let's look at this beautiful property.
guys, so thank you for watching. Now to finish up with this video, as you see here in this video, the appliances that you saw are going to be included. Now the good thing about this property is that you have your connections for your washer and dryer. You have a nice connection for water outside in the cover lanai, in case you're trying to do a big trying to build a kitchen. You have a lot of space for it. Now this property sits in a 1.3 acre lot. Very nice oversized lot, very nice opportunity. If you wanted to build anything in the back, you're also willing to do that, because this property does not have HOA. Now the septic tank and the well, so it comes in septic tank and well, but then the septic tank, it's oversized septic tank, which is very nice option in case you wanted to build anything in the back, you know, have a nice another little apartment or anything like that you wanted to have. You are able to use the same septic tank that it already has, so you don't have to do more because it's an oversized. So it's very great option that not everybody does that. Everybody normally put a normal size one, but this is actually an oversized, so very good option. So again, if you have any questions about this property, or if you would like to come and see it in person, call me to the number you see it below, and I would love to give you a tour, a private tour of this property or any other one here on the Wedgefield area or any area here in Central Florida. So this, if you are interested in this, you could get this home for $675,000. This just recently came on the market, so this is the price that they have as of today. Very great option. So again, give me a call to the number you see below, and thank you for watching. We'll definitely see you again for next properties that are coming up soon. All right, thank you.